to this earth. I hear the sweetest sound of heaven, drifting down to this earth. Bless the Father, bless the Son, hear the sound of the drum as they echo through the earth. Let no woman or child go hungry tonight. Please protect us from the pain and the hurt. I smell the sweet scent of heaven, tumbling down